Pupa, Jesus, with all the video them when me say guys, please put a like and leave a comment. The teacher them a demonstrate for higher pay. You understand? Government now give them, they need it, they need to triple them pay. Because me I tell viewers and subscribers, somebody sent me one video this morning with that 2 school youth who are like a right high school gate. Somewhere in a Clarendon, I say Lennon High School. Yeah, Google it, it's somewhere like up at Clarendon there. The 2 youth, them I want one stand up and one go around the corner. And I see the youth come on back with one big old stone. Bush! Right in at the youth head, guys. BLOOD, just a run like river. Pitney them at ball, oh, him DEAD. Jesus God, you understand? I hope this video go viral and them can hold the youth. But, yo, the school thing change, guys. Just imagine my son that they are school and a youth do that to him. That the youth then normal again, that the youth they can't be normal again. That is a headly kind of guys. In a normal, my opinion number in a comment and you can see video for no one, but in a pretty. And these are the type of stuff when they send out a pitney. It's like say them pitney and now learn. Then just go to school for war. Who now war? A SEX. In a classroom. Channel star. I see video guys and I tell them I feel it. I feel it guys and it now get better now. It now get better. Somebody send me one next video now. With a schoolboy sit down on the decks. And you know say one school girl sit down on the man something and a ride the guys. A them thing that go on in a school. But we can't show them video on YouTube. You understand guys? Please put a like, leave a comment if you don't want to see the video. Them only leave a comment below, my pin number. But Jano Star, me feel it for the youth with the big stone, guys. Me feel it for me. Can't, I hoping, I want to update on the story, guys. In a normal. And government give teacher them money, man. Because them have them pitney of them big people, big woman and big woman. Big man and big woman I deal with every day. Because them a pitney come like they don't want to learn. I be a war. And I mean, I tell you, guys, that's why violence will never stop. Because if I'm high pitney that and something go do him, it not work out. So it's not going to be the same way. I don't want nobody tell me about leave it to God and them something and them something. No. You mad? Me not join that. Plain and straight. So if you control the pitney parents and no one I do when you send them come to school. Because I can't make you tamper my pitney future. Through the foolishness. Boy and boy can always have altercation and go on them thing. But why you have to go to the extreme? Where I prove. And Pitney did it with phone. Everybody want to be famous on TikTok and them something there. And if you take them off of TikTok, hey, if I may run a government system with all them youth, I say, yo, you know that some penalty that go on. Only hope the youth make it. Yeah. I don't know if I yesterday or this morning it happened, but it's not pretty out there, guys. Leave a comment, like the video. And I don't know what to do. I'm out.